In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get out of outline mode in Adobe Illustrator. If your artwork suddenly looks like a collection of simple paths and edges, and all of the colors, effects, and fills seem to have disappeared, don't worry. You're most likely just viewing the file in outline mode. This is a common Illustrator setting, and it can be switched back in just a few seconds. To begin, go to the top menu and click View. This menu controls how your artwork is displayed on screen, so if Illustrator is showing only outlines instead of the normal design preview, this is the first place to check. Once the View drop-down opens, look for GPU Preview and select it. Choosing GPU Preview returns Illustrator to its regular display mode, where you can see your artwork with its colors, fills, strokes, and visual details again. If your screen was stuck showing only wireframe style outlines, this should immediately bring everything back to normal. There's also a faster keyboard shortcut you can use anytime this happens. On Windows, press Ctrl and Y together. On Mac, press Command and Y together. This shortcut toggles between outline mode and preview mode, which means it can switch you into outline view, or take you back out of it, depending on what mode you're currently in. This is especially helpful if you accidentally entered outline mode without realizing it, which happens often because the shortcut is easy to trigger while working. If your Illustrator file suddenly looks wrong, using that shortcut is usually the quickest fix. A good thing to remember is that outline mode doesn't delete or change your design. It only changes how the artwork is displayed on screen. Your shapes, colors, and effects are still there, even if you can't currently see them in the normal way. That's why switching back to GPU Preview or using the keyboard shortcut is all you need. So, to recap, click View in the top menu, select GPU Preview, or use Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Y on Mac to switch back from outline mode to preview mode. Once you know these two methods, getting out of outline mode in Adobe Illustrator becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.